In this digital wasteland, no birdsong in the air. The trees have turned to screens, devoid of life or care. I wake up in confusion, my world has disappeared. But in my feline heart, a glimmer of hope has neared. Offers me a chance to find a hidden button to bring back nature's dance. Through neon city jungles, we journey side by side in search of what was lost. A chance to turn the tide, reset the world, let nature breathe once more. Reset